Welcome to High Oracle's Reiki Spiritual Healing Channel. And, I just wanted to say thank you for all of your support. We're getting some things worked out so that I can, get certified here on YouTube. And, I'm working very hard behind the scenes. And, for right now, we've been stagnated a little bit, but we're moving forward. They can't stop us. Okay, so I am getting everything. I'm doing 3 videos for you right now. And so now that I have been getting a lot of the consultations, for the egg cleanse, then eventually I'm going to have to remove myself and do one video with all of you guys who have been contacting me and, wanting the consultations for your situations. And I really appreciate each and every one of you, even those of you who have given the donations and the offerings. I appreciate all of you. Please keep up the good work and keep praying, keep fasting, keep believing in God, and God will definitely change your situation if you put your trust in God, and let all those who trust put their trust in God. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we're having is, since we have been doing our cleansings, since we have been fasting and praying, and you guys have taken, my advice, and I really appreciate it that you have been fasting and you're reaching out to me, letting me know that the spiritual narcissists try to exploit you. They try to exploit you because of, your mental capacity. You were thinking that they were in your corner, had your best interests at heart. You were thinking because of, the relationship that you have with the spiritual narcissist or had with them, whether this is your family or whether this has been in your immediate love life, your husband or your wife, then they have tried to exploit you for financial gain. And this is what I mean. This is what we're finding out. Those of you who got the money drawing egg cleanse, that these people were only around you for financial gain. I've had this happen to me before with so-called friends. Okay, so as long as I'm buying for me and I want to make sure that everyone is comfortable, they're right there with their hands out. Okay, but as soon as I say, okay, enough is enough, you never have anything to offer. You never, come bearing, with the same gifts that I am. I'm going to recover from, these losses in your behavior. Then it became a problem ultimately. Okay, so a lot of you are seeing these types of users in your life. And so what you want to do, and like I say, I've been telling my clients all month long, you're going to have to balance your energy. Okay, you're going to have to, be uncomfortable and let those people come around you who think that they are using you, who think that they are exploiting you, because you genuinely care about them. Let them come around you and go ahead and cleanse them out of your life. And, in order to be able to do that, in order to be able to attract a narcissist, like I say, you'll have to play the fool. You'll have to play their game with them. Okay? As if you're oblivious. You're oblivious to the situation that they're trying to dump negative energy and siphon your financial energy. They're trying to siphon your blessings. They're trying to siphon your good luck. Some of you, it worked really well. The candle that I sent you, and we have been working with removing that negative energy, that gloomy cloud that has been over your financial health. Okay, so now you're understanding where that negative energy is coming from. There are narcissists that are racing to try to reconnect to you. And, again, my advice is, once you see these people for who they are, believe them the first time and keep them out of your life. Don't keep them at a distance. Kick them out of your life. Okay? Stop trying to make the situation work with these narcissists. They're hoping that you are validated by them because they're your parents. Because, you've been with them 15 years, 20 years. They're hoping that you're validated because you don't want to be alone. Or because of the friends and people that they know, or, the friends that you share. You have to be able to understand that when God has showed you these persons that all they are with you for is your money or a place to stay, or they don't want to divorce you and they do not love you, so you can't move forward in life. You're stagnant with these persons. They're abusive, not only in words, in deeds, and physically abusive to you. You have to make the decision that these people are only involved with you for what they can gain. Okay? So, they have been exploiting you long enough. A lot of them, I had one client reach out to me and she said that she ended up putting everything in her children's name, and she's the executive over, the children's estate, so that the husband, whom he was, just going out to dinner, taking people out to dinner with the money, and he never had anything for home. And I'm gonna put it like that for her, because I don't want to gossip about people's business. I did not get permission. But so this is what we're going to understand here. When you're having those types of situations, that negative energy needs to be cleansed out of your life. You need to bring those people to justice. We're doing our cleanse for the May 31st, the blue full moon cleanse, to bring these people to justice who want to be slick. Those people who do not want anybody to have you, who want to waste your time, who want to use you in life, who want to exploit you and your children. Okay, who are exploited. And this is what I'm hearing, resistance is futile. Okay, they're trying to exploit, people who have mental challenges. Okay, so if this is, I don't know who this is for, but that just popped into, downloaded into my system, that someone is trying to exploit someone with mental challenges. They're trying to reap the benefits off of this person. Okay, so be careful with those people who are easily to be taken advantage of, to be exploited. Okay, some of you are going to have to go to court for your people with these narcissists, so that they will, understand that you cannot attack the chosen ones. Okay, we are in the inverted position right now. Okay, we have to be able to move away from these people, and we have to be able to give them the understanding that 848, we're moving into the abundance, because we've cut these people off who have been exploiting us. We have seen them in the light for who they are and what they want from us. They want to act funny around people. They want to, talk down and belittling to you. When you are the breadwinner, when you have the goal, and you wasn't even treating these people like, I make the rule because I have the goal. You were treating these people fairly, and what happened was they decided to get comfortable with you giving them, and they decided to start to take and exploit you and use you, and they're sitting behind your back talking about you. Like I said, we have been able to shut a lot of these people's mouths, and like I said, you have to be balanced. One of the person says that he know the person that was attacking him. So we have to make sure that we are cleansing these people out of our lives. Those people who are attacking us knowingly, who are exploiting us knowingly, who are sending higher spirits, who are spiritual narcissists in our lives. Okay? I had one lady that said that her brother-in-law, came around and decided that he was going to just come over every time at the first of the month and eat up all of her food. He lost his job, and so he was coming to eat up all of her food at the first of the month. He'd come every 2 weeks to eat up all the food when, she was buying grocery. And, just because they are family, just because, if you get public assistance for you or your children or a disabled person, an elderly person, they will look to exploit you. This is what I'm getting from my people who did the financial egg cleanse. Okay, and they've had to set boundaries with these people. They've had to stop them from using them and exploiting them. Some of you have to stop people from exploiting the people in your family, from exploiting your parents. This is what I'm going through. Okay, so we need to make sure that we're looking out for our parents and people who are vulnerable. Especially if they are known to be weak-minded, if they are known to be physically and mentally challenged. We need to make sure that we're looking out for those people. I've had a couple of people who have reached out to me and said that a couple of elderly people, I had 2 people reach out to me and say that the elderly people were being exploited by zombies, by addicts. Okay, so we always want to make sure that we're looking out for the vulnerable. I had a person, now that we're cleansing this negative energy, and this is what I have been getting, and this is ridiculous because I had one person, just came and posted up, on my card. And I was like, you don't see me sitting here? Do you see me sitting here? Okay, and he was like, oh, I've been in this neighborhood for 35 years. I really dislike it when people tell me that they've been somewhere 35 years and 20 years. Okay, so you don't believe that you bleed like I do? Now just look at you. You don't believe that you can be unalive? Is that what that means? Okay, so if you are running into these people that want to exploit you, people that want to attack you for fear and put you in a negative headspace, that you're nothing without them, or you're in fear of your life because of these types of targeting on your money, your finances, because you're a female, because you're vulnerable, any of those things, then these people are users. They are trying to exploit you, and they are trying to take your blessings. They're trying to take your financial energy, and they're trying to make sure that you're unable to come out of that negative headspace, that you will always be dependent upon them, or that you are afraid to move away from them or tell them the truth. Okay, so this is why I stay in that space of I just tell people the truth, and sometimes people don't like it when I tell them the truth, but it's very necessary so that they understand that you're not able to exploit me because I sound a certain way, or you think of me in a certain way. Once I put this truth to you, it's going to be like fire on your behind. So, this ain't what you want, and I hope that you guys receive this message. So please like, share, and subscribe to me. Please continue to book your egg cleanses. Those links will stay up until the end of the summer. So please reach out to me at www.highoracle.com. Giving offerings or donate to me in the description of this video. Like, share, and subscribe to me. I'm High Oracle, Reiki spiritual healer. Assalamu alaikum.